colleagues. We would like to show you how to assemble a yurt. The yurt is a house of nomad people, which is not only a portable shelter, but is more a sign of holistic thinking and absolute balance with the nature and the universe. A person cannot assemble the yurt alone, as it requires a coordinated effort of several people. Representatives of all handicraft people are engaged in making the yurt, as well as tanner, carpenter, embroidery, jewelry, etc. So it is symbolizing the teamwork. The yurt consists of the following components: lattice walls, kerrigan made of wooden pot fastened with rawhide leather straps and forming sliding units, kılınat. The yurt is ready. Felt of the yurt cover keys is made of sheep wool. The side cover of the yurt uydu and the two felt mats that cover the yurt dome, uzuk, are cut of felt. The dome is covered with the square-shaped felt, tündük jabu. Thank you for your attention.